Ever wondered how TikTok serves exactly the right videos and how your ads can ride that wave? Let's unravel the magic of TikTok's AI-powered algorithm. TikTok's For You page, FIP, uses AI to analyze thousands of signals, watch time, likes, shares, comments, hashtags, sounds, captions, even device info to tailor the experience for each user. For example, a new cooking video might show up early to users who engage with similar content regardless of follower count. When you launch an ad, TikTok initially tests it with a small audience. The AI learns early from key signals, watched through rate, clicks, comments, and then scales it to similar users. For example, a fitness ad played to 500 users. Now, those who have watched are more than 75% and clicked were matched via lookalikes to reach thousands more later on. This is the concept of smart testing and scaling that the AI automation is using. We also have content signals such as trends and niches. The algorithm also reads these contextual signals, sounds, captions, hashtags, and trending topics to position your ad within niche communities. For example, a sustainable brand uses hashtag eco-fashion and soft acoustic sounds. TikTok places it in FIPs featuring green-loving videos. Then we have advertiser AI tools such as Insight Spotlight and Symphony. TikTok now offers Insight Spotlight, which analyzes audience demographics and trending keywords to guide ad creative and targeting. Their Symphony tool uses AI to help brands generate scripts or shop formats based on trends. For example, Insight Spotlight recommends showing hormonal health tips to female users. Symphony generates a matching script with trending background sound. We also have a creator versus an advertiser strategy. Creators grow virally by aligning with niche communities. For example, book talk or food talk. Advertisers replicate this by targeting interests or hashtags and using Spark ads to promote organic content. For example, a wellness brand repurposes a user-generated breathing tutorial via Spark ads to drive engagement with authenticity. So to make this work for your TikTok ads, you need to launch broad and let AI test your creative, include clear content signals such as trending sounds and niche hashtags, and leverage TikTok's AI tools to optimize creative direction. See you in the next lesson.